Let's learn how to delete a WhatsApp contact. If you've ever wanted to delete a contact on WhatsApp but didn't know how, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you won't have this problem again. The first thing you need to do is open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Once you have WhatsApp open, make sure you're on the correct account from which you want to delete the contact. When WhatsApp is open, you'll be on the updates page, but you don't need to be on that page. You need to go to the page where all your chats are, which opens when you click on the Chats option. The Chats option is located at the bottom right, next to the Settings option. Once the page with all your chats is open, enter the chat with the contact you want to delete. When you're in the chat, the next thing you need to do is click on the contact's name at the top of the page. When you click on the contact's name, a page with many options will open. For this tutorial, you need the Contact Details option, which you'll find if you scroll down a bit. When you find the Contact Details option, click on it, and a page with some information about the contact will open. On that page, you need to click on the Edit option, which is located in the top left corner of the screen. When you click on the Edit option, a page with more options will open, but you need to click on the Delete Contact option. The Delete Contact option is located at the bottom of that page, and when you click on it, you have successfully deleted the contact. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.